trophy. Girl, you know, so you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girl, they're not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body looks good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome to this Jamaican family. You can go on ahead and subscribe down below. For today's video, I will be styling this wig. So this is a tutorial video. So this wig, I got it from BestLaceWigs.com. And so this is a Brazilian silky straight bob, and I'm just gonna style the wig real easy for you guys. I won't be using any glue. This is just gonna be like a quick tutorial, like throw on your head top styling type of vibe. So this is how the wig is looking. I did wash the hair. I did bleach the knots. I over bleached them a little bit, but it still came out fine. If it's too light for you, you can tone it down with some toner, or sometimes for an easier method, I just use a little bit of like press powder on the lace to let it look brown to match my complexion. So now I'm just gonna flat iron the hair. So I decided that I could either wear this hair as a center part really straight, hence the flat iron, and I also thought about creating a bob, so I'll be showing you that style later in the video. So first I'm just gonna flat iron the hair. As I said before, the hair is just washed. I haven't put anything in there, so it looks like it's like silky straight. Like, it looks so moisturized. It's very flowy. I haven't seen any shedding. It's super easy to style. I was afraid of the little bump in the back, but I got it to be straightened. As long as your flat iron is like super hot, the hair, like, it's a breeze to style. So I'm just gonna flat iron it, fix everywhere, fix that back section. Then I'm just gonna brush it out. After I do that, I'm gonna take some mousse to like hold down the flyaways so that, you know, everything just looks smooth and like flawless, effortless and everything. So yeah, here I'm just contemplating whether or not to do the bang now or if I was still gonna do it. So again, as I said before, you can use mousse for your flyaways. It makes the hair look like 100 times more neater. So yeah, that's like super easy. Like, this literally took me 10 minutes to style. I didn't have to do anything extra. Bleaching the knots was my idea. The hair came pre-plucked. It's 150% density and the wig is 12 inches. So I'll leave the details in my description box for you guys. And as you see, this wig is like super versatile. It's very lightweight and like it's super perfect for the summer if you don't feel like doing another protective style like braiding your natural hair, or you just, you know, want to switch up your style a little bit. This wig is like absolutely perfect.
I wanna be with you and I.
Now for style number 2, I'm just going to show you guys how I create a bang. So first I separate the hair to see how much hair I want in the front, and then I'm just going to take my scissors. So I usually start with the bangs long, just so if it's long I can cut it shorter instead of cutting it super short and then you just mess the whole thing up. So I go layer by layer. So I start long, then I get shorter and shorter, then, you know, I just grab some more hair. Not even to say grab some more hair, but I just like make sure that either way when I put on back the wig, like the bang will be in the right place. So now I'm just gonna cut the sides to frame my face a little bit better, and that's basically all there is to it. Then I'm gonna take my flat iron just so the bangs curl better, like they fold on there a little bit, and that's basically all there is to it. It's like pretty simple, pretty easy. Like, look how easy that is. I feel like it's so cute. I was just trying something to see like, I wonder how a short bob with a bang would look on me. And yeah, it's pretty cute. I feel like I should dye this hair. I'm gonna dye this hair blonde probably, just to see how it looks. I'm a little bit scared, so I didn't want to like bleach it before I actually show you guys the hair in its natural state. And that's all there is to it. Now guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love y'all for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Make you say the craziest thing.